And then before we actually put any of those lilies in, I'm going to pop some foliage in first. So how many of you have gardens at home? Got a garden to access or trees that you can trim? Yep, fabulous. And so if you don't, sometimes your neighbours do with asking, but also occasionally the council I see are trimming and cutting things, and they're very happy for you to come along and take bits and pieces as well. Alternatively, you can buy bunches of foliage. We have some beautiful magnolia that we're going to use. So it's just stunning, and even it even looks fabulous to just have a vase full of foliage. But we're going to use it as a base, which is one of our favourite ways as florists to use foliage. It bases the vase and then allows us to place the flowers through it, giving them somewhere to sit and hold. So it kind of supports them in place. You may have received or purchased lilies like this before and put them straight into the vase, and it's really difficult to get them to sit where you want them to. Well, the foliage helps to aid that. But popping it in like this, you can see the vase would just topple over. So it is a matter of cutting it down. Now what we're also looking for is, you can see this stem here where the branches are starting to branch out. Ideally we would like that to sit at the edge of the vase. And that will make it quite secure in place rather than too much movement around. So I'm going to cut that just a little bit shorter. It was almost right. And also pop it on an angle. I'll keep it aside. Okay, and so you can see I've got 3 stems in there, and it's fairly evenly placed around, and then I'm looking for one to go in the centre. Okay, so what I'm looking to achieve with these stems of foliage is, you can see how they have a very obvious back and a front. And so we're looking to always have the front facing outward. And so for my vase, I'm looking to create it as an all-rounded arrangement, which means we can put it on a dining table or a kitchen bench. If you though would prefer, if you know where you would like to put your vase at home, you may have a whole stand that you'd really love for it to go on, then it only needs to be one-sided, so you don't need to fuss with all sides. Okay. And so next we have the lilies to go in.